Hey everyone. So it's been 2 days since we made these protist cultures, and it's time to see if they were successful. So, and I'm not particularly hopeful, but don't actually get the barley grain on there. But we'll see. We'll see. Oh, was I not filming it? So we got 2 drops of water on the slide, and let's go see if any protists grew. So it seems we have some particulate matter of some sort, but no protists. Is this result surprising? No. Is it disappointing? Yes. Do I know how to fix it? I think so. So I kind of expected this result. I was still hoping for the better, but it's not surprising. You see, it takes a very long time for anything larger than bacteria to arrive in any aquatic ecosystem, and especially something, in the span of 2 days, it's especially hard for them to arrive in these little cultures. So, though they will, if you leave it for long enough, they will arrive, but we need to kind of kickstart the process of getting protists in here. We need to start by actually adding some protists here in the first place. So how do we do that? Well, here I have a pond water sample. It is, being summer, very full of life. I think I see, let's see, what do we have in here? We have a back swimmer. That's interesting. We have some little worms. We have some copepods. We have, I think I saw a freshwater isopod swimming around in there. It might have been an amphipod. I didn't get a close look. But there are undoubtedly thousands of protists living in here too. So we are just gonna take up some water. We're gonna move over and we're gonna inject it directly into our culture. And we'll do that for the other one as well. And now we'll wait a few more days. Oh, well, here we have a little ostracod around. We have a big ostracod, likely an adult or perhaps a larger species. I just turned the light up on my microscope so maybe we can see it a little better. And we can. We'll turn that back down. Before we go today, I think, oh, it's moving around, isn't it? I have one more interesting thing to show you, and that is an insect, specifically a back swimmer, or a member of the family Notonectidae. These are sometimes called water wasps because they can give you a nasty sting. And right now we're looking at either a very small species or perhaps a younger individual under